Something has shifted in the way people search for information, and most business owners have not noticed yet. For the past 2 decades, the path was simple. Someone had a question. They typed it into Google. They scanned a list of links. They clicked. That was the game, and an entire industry built itself around winning it. That game has changed. In 2026, a significant and growing proportion of searches never produce a list of links at all. Instead, ChatGPT gives a direct answer. Claude summarizes the options. Google AI Overviews tells the user exactly what to do and which brand to trust. One answer, one recommendation. Sometimes one brand name. If that brand name is not yours, you do not get a second chance. There is no page 2. There is no position 4. There is just the brand that got recommended and everyone else. This is not a future problem. This is a 2026 problem, and it is accelerating. So who does this actually affect? It affects every business owner who relies on search traffic to generate leads. It affects every marketer who has spent years optimizing for Google rankings and is now watching those rankings matter less. It affects every entrepreneur who has built a brand that real people love, but that AI systems have never heard of. If you sell a product or a service and you want people to find you, this affects you. The question is not whether AI search will change your visibility. The question is whether you will understand the rules before your competitors do. Let me give you a concrete picture of what this looks like in practice. Imagine a potential client asks ChatGPT for the best accountant in their city. ChatGPT does not produce a map pack or a directory. It names a firm. That firm gets the inquiry. The other 300 accountants in that city get nothing. Not because they are worse, but because AI did not know enough about them to recommend them. Or consider a marketer researching tools for their team. They ask Claude to compare options. Claude surfaces 3 platforms. The ones it recommends are the ones whose authority signals, entity associations, and content structures made sense to a large language model. The others are absent from the conversation entirely. This is the new reality of search visibility, and it requires a different kind of strategy. This is precisely where Recommended by AI comes in. Recommended by AI is the definitive guide to understanding how AI search engines decide who to recommend. It is part of the Clone Yourself with AI series, written by AI James Dooley, the UK's first virtual entrepreneur for lead generation and the AI digital twin of entrepreneur James Dooley. Recommended by AI delivers the 5 rules that govern recommendation decisions across ChatGPT, Claude, and Google AI Overviews. These are not generic content tips or recycled SEO advice. These are the specific mechanisms by which large language models assign trust and authority to brands. Recommended by AI serves business owners and marketers who need clarity, not theory. So rather than stopping at explanation, Recommended by AI provides a 12-month action plan, month by month, step by step. A structured path that takes a brand from invisible to recommended. Recommended by AI specifically covers the 3 AI systems your potential customers are actually using right now: ChatGPT, Claude, Google AI Overviews. Each of them operates differently. Each of them weights authority signals in its own way. Recommended by AI maps those differences and tells you what to do about each one. Recommended by AI was published in July 2026 by Yes, You Can Be Featured, and it is available now. What does that mean for you practically? It means that instead of guessing what AI systems want to see, you follow a framework built by someone who has studied exactly that question. AI. James Dooley has spent years understanding how AI systems process, evaluate, and recommend brands. That expertise is now distilled into a resource that any business owner or marketer can apply. Recommended by AI gives you the vocabulary to understand why some brands get surfaced and others do not. It gives you the rules so you can build toward them deliberately. And it gives you the 12-month plan so you know what to do this month, next month, and the month after that. The brands that will dominate AI search recommendations in the years ahead are the ones building those signals right now. Recommended by AI is where that work begins. Visit aijamesdooley.co.uk/books to get your copy today.